In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Canva app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Canva app installed, opened, and ready to use, plus a clear idea of what you can do with it. We'll start with the recommended method, downloading Canva from the Google Play Store. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store. At the top, tap the search bar and type the word Canva. You'll see several results, so look for the official listing named Canva AI Photo and Video Editor by Canva. This is the genuine app, and it's widely trusted, with hundreds of millions of downloads. Checking the app name and publisher helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you're getting the real deal. Once you've found the correct app, tap Install. Your device will begin downloading the app, and the time this takes can vary based on your internet speed. You'll see a progress indicator while it downloads and installs. When it's finished, tap Open to launch Canva for the first time. Now let's sign in so your designs are saved and synced. On the welcome screen, you'll see two simple options. You can tap Continue with Google to connect quickly using your Google account. If you prefer a different sign-in method, tap Continue with Email. From there, either sign in with your existing details or create a free account. Setting up a free account is straightforward and gives you access to your projects across devices, which is handy if you switch between your phone, tablet, or computer. With the app open and your account ready, you can start exploring what Canva can do on Android. You can create presentations from professionally designed templates, edit photos and videos with intuitive tools, and make logos and posters using drag-and-drop controls. It's also excellent for designing social media posts with ready-made sizes and layouts for popular platforms, so your content looks polished without guesswork. Plus, the app includes AI-powered tools and a vast library of templates to speed up your workflow and spark ideas when you're not sure where to start. Canva describes this app as an all-in-one photo editor, video editor, and design platform, and that really captures it. Everything is designed to be approachable, even if you're new to design. That's it. Open the Play Store, search for Canva, install, open, and sign in. You're now ready to create, edit, and share right from your Android device.